Hello mga ka-reels, for today's video gawa tayo ng vase arrangement by using U-shaped vase with one type of flower and then one type of greenery. So ito po ay white tulip. So gagamit tayo ng animate stems and then dapat po nakabuka yung petals niya para po mas mapalaki natin yung itsura ng ating flowers sa ating vase arrangement. And then ito naman po yung unanimous leaves. Gagamit tayo dito ng 5 stems. So maglagay tayo sa bandang likuran tsaka bandang harapan. So, ganito lang po siya kasimple yung ating arrangement. Colored only for white and green. So, ito po ating vase arrangement for today by using tulip and unanimous leaves. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy!